He's awake and he's so happy. That's so nice to see. It's so nice to see. He's just looking outside. So content. And he's still got his hair. For the most part, I think. I'm obsessed with my kid's hair. Jasper, look at Mommy. Jasper got a haircut. Did you get a haircut? Daddy cut your hair, didn't he? And then Mommy got mad. But it's cute. Jasper, look at Mommy. Here. Jasper, what do you want to do? You want to say something to the camera? You cutie boy. Jasper. Hey, daydreaming. Hey.